4, a school's culture defines for its members what they value. And then I did the introduction. We don't have AP classes, but my segment is, so I have much higher level questions and more. Student teachers accept responsibility for educating all students, best students, and helping them so everyone can pass. 3, all staff is involved in making decisions, often through staff meetings and peer. 4, parents have learned to check Google Classroom to see the progress of their student work and remind them to complete assignments. 5, we define disruptive behavior as anything that prevents working or learning. So we're working closely with family, give attention, and during that time we offer tutoring and counseling to get them to work harder. The school is responsible for improving the relationship among student disruptive behavior. So it works so hard, you know, we're a K-8 school. We use restorative justice so everybody can get along and really make it work. It helps that it's a Catholic school, so we promote universal truths like kindness and understanding to be a good citizen and to help your community. I also like the teachings of the Church of forgiveness, because kids are going to make mistakes. We all do. And that we love them no matter what. We just need them to make good decisions. This gives them the opportunity to apologize, fix their mistakes, accept the consequences, and do a better job as they grow over the years. The teachers totally respect and trust each other on a level I've never seen before at a campus. I'm honored to work there. They are hardworking moms and parents, so they understand when I have to leave early to get my special needs son. They show respect and kindness and help each other out, and that builds the trust. We have one admin. It's a pretty small school, and has been an admin for 30 years. He's a veteran, taught all the subjects. He's well-versed and understands the role of admin and helps us teacher. He's a really good role model, has an open-door policy, and willing to learn and make positive change for the school. We teachers do respect colleagues' capacities to educate all students to higher levels. For many of our K-8 students go to very rigorous private high schools and colleges. We tell students there's no excuses. We believe in you. You have to do this. We will help you. And since parents are paying for this Catholic rigorous setting, the parents are paying. They impart on the children the value of working hard in education because it comes at a cost. When I responded to all the questions, I had to pick one. I think rigorous education has different meanings to different people. Our students are pretty young, so they want to focus on social time versus working. And so I have to remind them there's no excuses. They have to complete all assignments, especially because it's in Google Classroom. During AR time, I pull students to work one-on-one with them to remind them to get their assignments in. And with Google Classroom, I can write comments and they can finish essays to a high, rigorous 350 words in APA format. They weren't used to that type of rigor yet, but they get really good at it now. Teachers are determined to not let them slack just because students have homework in every class every day, but instead give explicit directions, templates, and example work for essays, and encourage them to do well. Parents take their job serious as helping their students for their paying for tuition, and many of them go to private high schools and private colleges. The hardest part is encouraging the child not to give up, especially our English learners and migrant students, but to give them Google Classroom and other strategies to complete all work. I think when expectations are set up with a proper system, the students can do rigorous work at all ages. It's a great school, and I'm honored to work here.